Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and today I'm going to show you a simple method that you can do a swing option trading. And you know that there are many different ways that you can trade option: short term, day trade, swing trade, live, and you can buy and hold for a couple months. But with the kind of market volatility, so the swing option trading is the best method that it work very well. I'm going to show you today is the guideline what you need to do so that you can do a swing option trade, and what indicators set up and how you use them, and the trade trigger and the swing option checklist so that you before you get into trade. All right. First of all, as you know that swing option trading, it's a typical, when we get into the trade, it will last few days, but it may last a long as a several weeks also. So the goal of the short-term swing option trading is we try to capture as much of that swing of the trend as possible, and we always trade with the trend, right? We go long when it's in uptrend, and we go short when it's in the downtrend. And in uptrend, usually we aim to buy it all the pullback. It means that we buy in the dip, and after the trend appear to resume to the uptrend. So the minimum target it should be the previous higher high. Okay, in the downtrend we aim to sell on the rally. It means that I call it sell at the tip after the trend appear to have resumed. So your minimum target should be the previous lower low. So you can place your top loss just below the recent higher low or the lower high. Okay, then always have a minimum of 3-to-1 reward ratio. So now how to identify the potential setup. So for those of you that don't want to clue on the screen each day, so usually you have to scan for the opportunity, the week or a week in advance, so that you know what target they pull back down, ready to turn around, or the target already hit the top and they're going to come down. So the swing option, will last for 2 weeks, so that you have to see where you're supposed to enter, where your target, and where your profit potential. So the concept here is almost the same, the strategy that you using when you trade when you swing trade, except that instead of using everything you buy with a same expensive price, so you can buy the option, so you're using the leverage, so it's cheaper, and then you can gain more, right? So then after that you manage your position by checking it when it get to the sell or the buy zone. And so the key concept here, you have to know the trend. So you have to stay with the trend, and then if the trend is uptrend, okay, you can continue to trade the trend, or you trade reversal. So it means that when they go back and then reverse at the key area, that's where you're supposed to enter. And so if the trend is uptrend, you stay with the uptrend. You trend the downtrend, you stay with the downtrend, and never trade only on the short-term chart when you're swing option trading. Even though you trade, you stay in there for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, but you never trade by using a short-term chart. Okay, so you have to using a daily chart at least, so that you can see the longer term where they're heading to. So you enter the trade near or beginning of the trend, not at the end of the trend, and then you can determine your risk to reward ratio and make sure the odds in your favor at least 3-to-1. Okay, and here this is the recent example that I want to show you. I demonstrated on the chart, you can see here. So the stock here is called the COP, it is Codoco Philip. So you can see that in June, this stock have been come back down, and then they bounce back up. But even though they bounce back up here, but you don't see it's not an uptrend yet. So they pull back and then they turn around. So the two important moving average here, I set it up here. This is the red line here, that's the SMA 50, and the green line here, the SMA 200. So the key thing here, you want to go with the trend. So when the price is able to get up above the 50 symbol moving average, you wait for them to pull back, and you enter the trade, right? And then you can take it, and then you can see that where its potential target, that the previous high, which is the sell zone here. Okay, so that's what you have to understand. What is the sell zone? That's what we're teaching in the at Stock Navigator. So when you enter the trade here, right, and then your stop loss can be below the 50 moving average, and then you ride up. So for example, this stock here, I enter on the August 15, 2022. When they go up, they pull back. So I buy 10 contracts. It cost me $6,906. Instead, if I buy right here, it will cost me, if I buy 1,000 share, it will cost me $94,000. You see, so that will be a lot of money. So that's why if you buy 10 contracts, it's equivalent to the value of 1,000 share, and it only cost you 6,900. And then when it go up to the sell zone, I sell it for $15,993. So the total net profit after the commission it will be $9,087. As you can see here, this is the statement from a job swap I have recently. Okay, so it means that, you know, instead of using the equity to buy, it will cost you a lot of money, and a lot of you don't have money. So you're using the leverage of option. You buy here and then you sell there. So within 10 days, you gain more than $131,000. So you invest $6,000 and then you sell for $16,000, net profit $9,000. So that will be a tool. I hope that you know, with this kind of simple trading method, you can apply it and looking for a lot of opportunity. So you can see that we have many opportunity. It's over here, you know, it's down over here. So you can see that every time they cross about 50 average. So you have a lot of opportunity here. So you can stay in the trend for, you know, 5, 10 days, right? 15 days, and then you can make good money. Okay, so I hope this is a simple method that you can apply and looking for opportunity, so you can so that you can see how you can apply it and then help you to make money by using the leverage of the option. So if you would like to learn more about technical analysis, how to analyze the chart, how to define the trend, so you need to know what is the uptrend, okay, what is the downtrend. How can we define uptrend and downtrend? How to know where the trend is still in an uptrend, or when they go to revert. You need to understand how to draw the buy zone, sell zone, and so those things that we are teaching at the Stock Navigator. So we at Stock Navigator we teach you how to trade day trade, swing trade, option, and we teach you, not just teaching you, but we are mentor you for years, and we also trade live with you on the every day in our live trading. So if you would like to learn more and check out our website at stocknavigators.com, we have a free webinar for you to take a look. Again, thank you for watching, and then I will see you on the next video.